How to unfollow category on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow category on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and then click on your followed category. You will need to go to this icon here and you will see your followed categories. Just click on any category you want to remove and to unfollow, and then just click here and click first thing, click this here and then click yes. And as you see, this category has been unfollowed. Just refresh, and as you see, that's how unfollow category on Twitch. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.